my friends. I'm going to do a swipe on a small canvas today, but before we get to that, I'm going to show you the dried result of the last swipe I did. I'm very happy with the way this came out. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see the whole thing. There we go. I did accentuate the lines, the cracks here with some black paint, brush painted that. And I think it really added a little more interest to it. It doesn't look like a mistake now. This almost looks like a shadow there. I like that a lot. And gosh, I just love some of the areas here. Look at look at this right there. I think is so beautiful with the gold and around the blues and the greens. I have not yet varnished. I think it'll really come to life when that happens. And that's about it. What I think I really like about this is that these colors are very pronounced and vivid because I laid them down first and then I only added white above and below that. I think if I were to put a base coat of white down and put these colors on top, they would naturally become mixed with the white and not be quite so vivid. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to do it again today. But before I get to that, I'm going to do a little giveaway. I have this little painting that I would like to give away to one of you. I call it Small Joys. It's ready to hang. And it's just a little acrylic painting I did. So all you have to do to be eligible is please be a subscriber, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. After 1 week's time, I will pick a winner at random, ask for your address, and get it sent off to you. Let's see, let me get back to a normal size here. So that's that. So I'm painting over this what was it, a cloud pour, rain pour. I kept it for a while wondering if I wanted to embellish it, but nothing pleasing came to me, so it didn't happen. So what I'm going to do is I have some leftover paints here, kind of an aqua and blue. I just mixed like colors, so I can't really tell you what's in there. I did mix a gold. Black will be my swipe color, and I've got white for the base. I think I'll do the same thing, but this time, I'll talk it through as I do it. A little blue. Aqua. I should have done aqua first, I think. All right. It's going to be white. I'm going to put the black there, and then the gold is just going to be on this part because I kind of want it to be like a tablecloth. So I want the bottom lighter. The black will go in there, and now white. Now I'm just going to smooth that around with a palette knife. Where's my palette knife? Oh, I got this one. I never worry about the sides, particularly on a swipe. I generally will paint the sides a solid color, so I'm not going to worry about going over the edges. Okay. That's that. Now, black. So again, there's silicone in the black only. Run a nice strip of that across the middle there. And swipe up and down. Okay. Got my handy dandy plastic here. Let that rest, make full contact all the way across, and slowly come down. I love the look of that right now. I'll put the recipe down below. It's very simple, just Floetrol paint and water. But you won't get this look without a bit of silicone. And there's very little silicone on there. Okay, I'm gonna use the other side. Again, making contact all the way across and slowly swipe. Okay. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. I'll let it dry, and then I will create a false tabletop right about there, and I'll paint something, probably fruit, I don't know, along the tabletop, and then that would be like, it'll be like, it'll be recessed. The fruit will be sitting on the tabletop, and then this will come forward, and that will be like a tablecloth. This will be an interesting background. That's my plan anyway. I'll show you in a future video the final results. Okay, my friends, well, that was short and sweet. Again, if you're interested in this little painting, leave a comment down below, and I'll randomly pick next Saturday and watch Sunday's video for the reveal. Or maybe I'll pick Friday. That's what I'll do. I'll pick Friday, reveal it on Saturday. Because I try to put videos out on Saturdays. Friday or Saturday. Okay. Forgive my babbling. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.